guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today guys, I'm here at the ARC Hospital for their first year anniversary. If you remember, I'm here as well on their opening day and I'm super excited because 1 year na sila and then they're opening their dialysis center and as well as some establishment inside. More rooms, more services, and more clients to serve. So happy anniversary ARC Hospitals! By the way guys, right now I'm vlogging with my GoPro Hero 7 Black and this is the wide angle 1080p 60 frames per second with hyper smooth stabilization on.
Plan actually for this area, which includes a school for allied health, a retirement facility, yeah, and then we're gonna do a separate cancer institute for myself and a women's and children's hospital. That's something different that really caters to the child and the mom also. So today we are actually celebrating our first year. Very affordable rates also, if you notice. So if you I think you have seen the facility, no? So the wards are really kung mugawas mo, abroad mo dito. Pareha gud iyang set up paglimpyo tanan sa gawas. So international standard gud siya pero affordable siya. Then we opened today our dialysis facility as well as our blood bank. It's not easy to have a blood bank. Only a few hospitals are given a DOH license for blood bank. The main reason is that there's really a need and it has to be processed properly. So Dr. Loreche is our pathologist and our administrator also would know how difficult it is to get. And we are actually given that opportunity by DOH na okay, what may dugo good, lisod kayo pangitaw ng dugo. So at least kung nani blood bank within the area, makater na yun nato ang within the area. Just imagine kung nani dengue, mag-bleeding, mag-opera, mag-bleeding, you have to get your blood from the city.
We intend to have a mini heart center here also.
Yes.
Because we believe that there are 3 diseases that we need to cater to aside, but number 1 is cardiovascular and lifestyle pa rin mahirap. And so if we can have that heart center here, right here in Mactan, no? Here where ARC is located, then I think that will answer the needs of our patients.
Is that in our OPD visits, maabot kami tag 1,500 visits in a month. And then we are already 73% occupancy in terms of our inpatient. So the kanaghan dito na serve in the span of a year. Times 12 lang na. Nakadaghan more than 12,000 in our namatay ko na sheet no, natin statistics. That's even more. Okay, today lang naan as we are doing this, I'm seeing patients also. I have patients admitted, I have patients doing biopsy and all. So we are happy that we are able to cater to a lot of patients here in Lapu Lapu. And I think our standard is really good that they don't really have to go to the city. So our Lapu Lapu citizens. By the way, we are giving 100 free eyeglasses, reading glasses to our mostly catered to the senior citizens. So and then today, and then we have a program in cooperation with our eye center that katong cataract ng mga senior citizen. Okay.
They can enlist actually.
Maka-enlist lang sila, ma-clear na mo sila, only PhilHealth.
Yes.
That's all. So it's affordable if PhilHealth.
We are very excited about this, Mayor, because we have our own pool of donors. Yes. Actually, our tie-up corporate accounts, they have already assured us that they will be donating blood here. Correct. So that we can be able to use that for our patients and for those who will be needing blood.
But you want to be welcoming outsiders to donate?
Yes, we do. We're open to it.
Or if we will do like bloodletting in every barangay and
We can partner with you, sir.
Oo.
So we can send our people there to do the bloodletting and just the blood extraction and the initial screening, which is just the blood type, no, and the hemoglobin. And then everything will be brought here to the blood bank. We can already process that, make sure that blood is safe already for distribution. And then if you like, because that will be barangay to barangay, what we can do is we will always allocate cards for them so that when they need it, they can immediately withdraw blood from us.
Yeah, it's
And
really
we
a
have,
bank na
yeah, it's a bank.
donate sila, then they can,
It's a-
they
it's a
need
blood
it,
bank.
so
And we have the approval of the Department of Health, and as a matter of fact, the Department of Health Region 7 is now the sub-national blood services facility. And we
Yes.
have a very good relationship with them. So we can work with them. So when there is need for blood somewhere else, not just from here,
Correct.
we'll be able to help them. And when there is a need for us also, at kulang tayo, they can also help us out.
So what's the capacity of our blood bank?
Our blood bank refrigerator now can accommodate 150 bags. In other words, 150 donors can be accommodated having their blood stored there. That's just for the whole blood. But we also have a plasma freezer. A plasma freezer is actually will contain the rest of the components, the fresh frozen plasma, the cryoprecipitated, cryosupernated, which can accommodate another 100 bags.
So start na ta.
Yes, sir.
Donate.
Yes, sir.
sila yung una.
During the opening, because I was here,
Yes, I
so
know.
you mentioned that ARC is the first hospital na paperless. So how was it until now?
So it was a struggle actually. We're still electronic and it's combination because the Philippine healthcare insurance, they require paper.
Ah.
So wala kaapas ang Department of Health also, di sa sila kaapas. So nag-electronic na mi, ang DOH ug ang PhilHealth paper pa. So I mean, sige may electronic, then we still have to print for them sa the report kaya they don't accept the electronic reporting man.
Ah.
So it's really a struggle. It's more of a, it's not about
Collaboration.
implementation or the available ang system there sa Philippines. Kaya man nato. It's kinahanglan po nato i-push ang ato ang government agencies but to catch up with the times.
With Art Mayor, how does the medical industry contribute to the development of
It's a
the
very
city?
big, it's a very big help, no, to Lapu Lapu City, especially Lapu Lapu is growing. So the populations, the tourists, no, daghan na gyud kaayo, no. So we are so very proud that we have this art that is as international standard in terms of medical treatment. So now that, especially now that they're doing free services, libreng servisyo to our least fortunate, to those who are living in this place, no, the taga Agus, taga Maribago, no, and I'm so happy this morning because Dr. Alegrado and Dr. Sarmento offered free operation for cataract, no, sa mga senior citizen. So lain na po ng balita para malipay ang atong mga senior citizen, which ARC offers that to the Uponganons. So not only that, karon na we have already the blood bank. So dili namin maglisod na we will go to Cebu just to get blood, no. So we're here. So what we need is just to siguro magtinabangay ni we do kaning mga blood in every barangay, donation in every barangay, magkandak na ana para katong mga manginahanglan panahon, we can serve them, we can give them, we can help them.
Hi guys, so I'm with Mayor Home Chat sa Lapu Lapu City, guys.
Right, thank you.
Guys, super lingawa, daghan kaayog mga benefits nga makuha sa community health fair sa ARC hospitals here. One day, today lang siya guys. So, tomorrow pa ito mapublish. Kaya, so, hopefully mga taga-Lapu-Lapu na mga read pa more until 5 p.m. sila guys. Sige. Alegrado. So guys, nami diri. Kalami Cebu. Nami diri sa sushi station. Paibog guys, paibog. Sabi sa Spanish era, charot. Ito, kalami sila rin lang mga food guys. Oy. Wow, napay with matching. Wow. Oh, uy, kalami mga shrimp. Uy, napay crabs. Napay ham. Is it ham? Air-dried meat. Cheese. And fruits. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. Ganon. Guys, it's lunchtime already, and first I'm eating here at Alegrado pala sa Blue Water Maribago Beach Resort. And first, I'm eating my favorite, which is the salad. And this one, grabe, Caesar flip. Kamusta? Oh, chopstick ang peg, dog. Nasa ko na, mga ito chopstick di. Mami Ems, kumusta ang imong crabs? Oh.
Okay ra.
Oh, by the way guys, right now I'm using 1080p, 60 frames per second, and wide, hindi pala wide. Kanina naka super view yun, ngayon naka linear. So, I hope you can see the difference. I'm still waiting for the card, which is the ECCD checklist for the kindergarten kasi ano pa daw, kailangan ko pang temporary enroll yung youngest ko kasi wala pang ang ECCD. So nandito ako sa school nila noon so that makuha ko na siya para ma-transfer na siya. So I'm still waiting. I've been waiting for almost an hour and a half for the form. So hopefully nandito na.